Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a student of PGDQM Service Batch 2014-15. I'm working with CIAT as Senior Manager Human Resources. PGDQM is an aspirational course at CIAT to the extent that the nominations also get finalized by our management committee. To talk about the course, I see MIQ as this open university that invites companies to come together, learn together, share best practices, and learn from each other in terms of the best quality practices. They have this concept of self-learning teams, SLTs as they call it, where they split the batch into small 4-5 groups with about 4 to 5 people in each group, and they give them assignments to work on after classroom sessions. This facilitates cross-learning and teamwork. In fact, we reached a stage where all the SLTs competed with each other and they all strived to be the best in a healthy spirit. Each phase culminates into a live project that you are required to work on once you are back at work. And these projects are taken very seriously. Senior management at both the ends, at CIAT as well as at MIQ, are directly involved in it. Unless you take these projects to a defined conclusion, you do not get your diploma course certificate, and they make this very clear right in the beginning of the course. About faculties at MIQ, they have good faculties, both internal and external. Mr. Rohit Pathak is one of their internal faculties, and I think he is excellent. His concepts are so clear and he explains them so well that at the end of his sessions you feel, what's the big deal about implementing quality in the organization? About external faculties, they try and get industry experts who give us a perspective on how quality is implemented in various ways in their organization. They also try and get international faculties to give us a global exposure in quality. The best part about MIQ is that they actually follow the PDCA cycle. So they seek feedback from us, implement it, then check again with us if it has met our expectations or not, and further act on it. Because it's a long course, by the end of every phase, we all tended to feel a little homesick. But as time passed by, we became close to each other. In fact, we've had some great karaoke nights, we've partied together, we've visited places in Nasik together, clicked some funny pictures, and had fun. I personally have had a great experience at MIQ. I've been able to take on some high impact projects at CIAT, and that's it. I wish MIQ all the best. Thank you.